Hey, welcome back. Now we're back at my computer, and just want to go over very briefly how you can get your particle counter to download. First thing you want to do, very simple, is to load your software that's been provided. It's a simple disk you insert and just run the install. It'll automatically install the program on your computer. You don't need any other software. After you've done that, hook up your particle counter with the supplied USB cord, like I have here. Turn your particle counter on, simply on, off, turn it on. Then go over to your start menu, scroll up to programs, and look for APC Win. APC Win is the software that biotests use, and just click on that program to open it up. And there you go. The program is opened up. It's recognized the particle counter. And what I want to do is I want to download the two tests that we just did onto a spreadsheet. So I'm going to select download. You get this empty screen. Now to get the data off the particle counter onto the screen, go up to download and press go. And bingo, you've got your data right there. And as I mentioned, we got close to 40,000 particles of half micron in size, and we ended up with about 8,000 or so with the DFU. On the 5 micron size, we got 640, and we ended up with a couple hundred through the DFU. Again, pretty good demonstration. Now, if you want to save this and then send it to your customer, simply select save, rename it. I'll just name this beta test. Save it to wherever file you want to save it to. Click save, and you've got it as a spreadsheet now. If I go back here into my file, air quality test, I got the beta test file right here. And you'll see now I've got a workable spreadsheet, and you can customize this. Instead of location 1 and 2, you can call out these locations as a specific location the customer would be familiar with. But it also gives you time, temperature, the count time 15 seconds. Temperature was 21 degrees Fahrenheit. We've got a humidity reading of 12 and 13. And the two particle counts, half micron and 5 micron. Again, you can send this as an attachment to the email. It's a real good sales tool to work with the customer and find critical points where filters need to be installed. So it's just that simple. Kind of as a summary wrap-up, the only thing I can stress is keep your count times to 15 seconds. Make sure you program the unit for 15-second count time. Make sure you always have a DFU on the dew point meter. And after you've done a few tests with the particle counter without the DFU, try putting the DFU on with the customer right there to show what our filters can do. It's an awesome demonstration unit that really takes the place of the FD2, I think. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. And my recommendation is get out and start using them. I would recommend maybe you start with a customer that you're real familiar with and you have a good relationship with, just to get your feet wet. But you shouldn't be intimidated. This is a very, very easy device to use, as is the dew point meter. And you're going to find that making appointments are going to be very, very easy when you mention that you have this capability. And we'll talk more about how we're going to promote and support this program with you and your customers. Thanks for your time, and don't hesitate to call if you have any questions. Take care.